Let's see how to host the Angular single page applications in GitHub pages. If you map a custom domain like localhost.com for example to your GitHub repository, then you can just build your Angular application using this command and upload the build files to that Git repository. But if you don't have a custom domain, then you have to build the Angular single page application using this command and have a proper base href based on the Git repository name. This will actually be your Git repo name, and you have to build this project, and then you have to upload these files into your Git repository. The Git repo URL will be in this format, so that's why you need to build using base href. Let's see how this works. I will go to my Angular application and trigger this command. Base href is Apple app. It can be anything. Let me change this name into zoology. The build is completed. Now I will go to my Git repo. I will create a new Git repository. I will upload an existing file. These are my files. I will just upload it here. The files are uploaded. I will commit it. The files are uploaded here. Now I will go to my settings, pages, select main. You can see this entry here. This is URL for my account. I can copy this and I will go here slash, this is my repository name. The page is loading fine here. I will go to network. I will refresh the page. I'll go to sports. The routes are also working fine here. I'll refresh the page here. Go to sports. But in case of sports route, it's showing 404. To fix this, we need to follow the same approach which we did for a HTTP server example which we discussed previously. I will go to the source code. I will go here, and I think here if we changes dev, it will take us to the online code editor. I will clone it and change to 404. I have committed that file to my Git repository. We'll go to github.com. You can see the 404.html file. GitHub folks have configured the server in such a way that if any file is not found, then it will look for 404.html. Now I will refresh the page. You can see that sports route is getting rendered. You can see sports works data is coming from sports route, and when I click home, analytics works is getting rendered from the analytics component. I'll refresh it again. Go to sports. This still works. Take note that first 404 error is getting thrown and then the sports route is getting rendered. That's one thing to note. So far we discussed about how Angular single page applications can be hosted through GitHub pages without custom domain. If you have a custom domain, you can go to settings, pages, and map your custom domain here and add the GitHub IP addresses in your domain registry.